Now let's try reverse undulations. Assuming the same position, keeping the knees bent, we're going to contract the lower abs first, then contract the upper abs to bring the chest down, then squeeze between the shoulder blades to lift the chest back up. And again, contracting under, chest down, up, and releasing slightly into the neutral position. And here, when we start larger, we're going to shift our weight back into the heel, contract under, chest down, and as you lift the chest up, you're going to release forward. Now, we're doing this only to exaggerate and find the movement in the beginning. So, starting back, contract, under, and up, and down. Roll, and up. Let's try that with music. And when you're reversing, make sure you're not lifting your head too far up. There'll be a small level change in the beginning, but ultimately you want to stay in the same exact spot. And now when we make it a little bit smaller, we're going to stop shifting our weight forward to back and stay neutral. So we're going to contract the lower abs, upper back. And in, down, up, neutral. Smoothing it out. And faster. And that's how you do a reverse undulation.